fine 내 미소는 fine art 내 영혼을 깨워 You got me feeling so right Yeah it's so fine Yeah This gon' be the one and only theme song 너에게만 고정된 내 시선 내게 너란 하나뿐인 미션 불가능은 없어 baby lights camera action 나란 음악 위에 너는 top line 너란 도시 위에 나는 skyline 넌 내 영화 속의 highlight 어두운 밤하늘 끝에 twilight Just gets better 널 처음부터 정죄하고 싶은 매력 You don't know how I want your love 밤이 끝나기 전에 baby You know we got that vibe baby 해 뜰 때까지 Look at me, look at me, look at me nudge Look at me, look at me, know we got that vibe baby 해 질 때까지 Look at you, look at you, look at me nudge Look at me why so fine This gon' be the one and only anthem 감각적인 식센스 반지 자리트만 잡아도 간지 너를 만나기 전까지 내 세상엔 암지 난 아무도 위 너는 spotlight 너라는 강 위 나는 남산 또 완벽할 순 없잖아 어두운 밤하늘 끝에 twilight I can feel it 너는
Let's go, let's go. Good day, mates. To the light here is Sydney Soundcheck Experience. I'm very happy to meet y'all. How are you guys? Yeah, good? Actually, this is my first time in Australia for my solo concerts. It's such an honor to finally be here. Before, when I was in Sydney, so many beautiful cafes. Right? Yeah. And every cafe where I ordered an ice americano, there was ice cream on it. It was very new and it was really good. So I wanted to have it again yesterday. But this time, there is no ice cream on my americano. I was like, why? So I asked why there is no ice cream. And I heard that recently, new cafes don't put ice cream on ice americano anymore. So I was really kind of sad that I couldn't have it. This Taeyang. Thank you. I'm gonna try it after the show. Thank you so much. You guys are so energetic and amazing. I can't wait for the main show. Let me think about it. Here's our last song for the Soundcheck events. Let's go. You guys know this song? Come on. Girl. You're the birthday girl? What is your name? Jess? Everybody, it's Jaz's birthday. Can we sing along together the birthday song? Jazz, right? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my Jazz. Happy birthday to you. Okay, I need to go. See you really soon. So I'm very excited to be able to perform here. Thank you so much for having me. So what do you think about the title? Do you guys like it? Are you ready for the next one? You guys ready for the next one? You ready? Okay, let's go. Everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Everybody put your hands up. Let's go. Let's go. For one, for better, stay with me together. Forever you're my You ready? Yes! Okay, let's go. This song
Take it off!
was released.
Take it off! 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 Take it off!
I can't hear you. What? Not right now. I need to wear the hats. You know, this song was released back in 2009.
심심할 때 가끔 너는 여자 말고 나만 사랑해줘. Baby I need you, girl you need me too. Everybody sing it now. Let's go sing it with me.
You guys okay?
Come here.
What are you guys saying? Someone is yelling, but I can't hear you. What did you say? Huh? I love you. Okay, this one is a special gift for Sydney. One more time.
Confidence, I wanna be with you alone. Said, help me have you started.
What about the middle? What about the second floor? Can you see me well? You guys are gonna stand up very, very naturally for the next one. No, right now, not right now. I'm saying.
Everybody is playing. And then do the steps. Do the step like this. You ready?
It's the message that I want to tell you with all my heart. Thank you for being a path of my life and flower in my heart. Thank you so much, Sydney. I love you.
그대여 나의 맘에 꽃잎이 되어 그대여 나의 맘에 비춰주어 미안해 하지마 내가 초라해지잖아 빨간 예쁜 입술로 어서 나를 죽이고 너의 작은 손톱까지 다 여전히 널 느낄 수 있지만 거짓 불꽃처럼